Dr. Peter Marks, a bastion against political interference at the FDA, now under threat. Dr. Peter Marks, the FDA's former top vaccine official, served as a crucial bulwark against the politicization of vaccine approvals, a role that unexpectedly thrust him into the spotlight during the tumultuous Trump administration. His contributions to Operation Warp Speed, the initiative credited with rapidly developing and distributing COVID-19 vaccines, initially garnered praise from President Trump himself. This commendation, however, would later be revealed as somewhat misleading, underscoring the complex realities behind the monumental effort to combat the pandemic. While the initial accolades might have painted a picture of seamless collaboration, a deeper examination reveals a far more nuanced story. The success of Operation Warp Speed, undeniably a landmark achievement in the history of public health, wasn't solely attributable to any single individual or political endorsement. It was the result of a collective effort involving scientists, researchers, manufacturers, and regulatory bodies working tirelessly under immense pressure. To attribute the success solely to a singular figure or a single administration overlooks the crucial contributions of countless individuals dedicated to safeguarding public health. The subsequent data paints a clearer picture. A comprehensive study conducted by the Commonwealth Fund revealed the staggering impact of the COVID-19 vaccines. Through November 2022, these vaccines were estimated to have saved a remarkable 3.2 million American lives, preventing more than 18 million hospitalizations. These numbers are not merely statistics. They represent millions of lives spared, families protected, and the healthcare system relieved from an unimaginable strain. They underscore the life-saving efficacy of the vaccines and highlight the immense public health achievement that Operation Warp Speed represented. The recent departure of Dr. Marks, however, raises significant concerns about the future direction of the FDA and its vaccine approval processes. His replacement, Robert Califf, while undoubtedly qualified, faces the challenge of maintaining the integrity and scientific rigor that characterized Dr. Marks' tenure. The potential for future politicization looms large, especially considering the rhetoric surrounding the vaccines in recent years. The appointment of Xavier Becerra as Secretary of Health and Human Services, HHS, further complicates the landscape. While Becerra's qualifications are undeniable, his past stances on certain healthcare issues have raised eyebrows among some experts. The potential for differing opinions and approaches within the HHS and FDA regarding vaccine policies and approvals creates a scenario where scientific integrity could be sidelined in favor of political expediency. The appointment of new officials, particularly those with ties to the previous administration, further fuels these concerns. Reports suggest that some individuals appointed to key positions within the current administration have expressed skepticism regarding the COVID-19 vaccines and their authorization. These individuals, including those with close ties to former President Trump, may seek to challenge the scientific consensus and the regulatory processes that led to the emergency authorization and eventual full approval of the vaccines. Their potential actions could severely undermine public trust in the FDA's ability to provide objective and science-based assessments of medical interventions. The concerns are amplified by comments made during confirmation hearings. One high-profile appointee reportedly indicated that they had been tasked by the former president to investigate the safety of mifepristone, a medication used for medication abortion. This action, seemingly unrelated to vaccine policy, raises questions about the potential politicization of other crucial aspects of healthcare regulation. The extensive prior safety investigations of mifepristone make this request seem particularly suspect, suggesting a deliberate attempt to undermine existing scientific consensus rather than a genuine concern for public safety. The lack of immediate comment from the HHS regarding these concerns is further cause for apprehension. The silence only serves to amplify the anxieties surrounding the potential shift in the FDA's approach to vaccine regulation. A timely and transparent response from the HHS addressing these issues directly is crucial to maintaining public trust and ensuring that political considerations do not compromise the scientific integrity of the agency. The future of the FDA's role in safeguarding public health hangs in the balance. The need for vigilance and transparency in upholding the scientific integrity of vaccine approval processes has never been more critical.